Are you a gardener or do you own your own gardening business? Well, it's now time to bring your business into the 21st century. In today's business world, having your own professional mobile app could help increase your sales and streamline your business. With your own mobile app, you can showcase your work and provide your potential customers with a full list of your gardening services. You can display your pricing, your contact information, and all other information they may need, all from the palm of their hand. Do you want to explode your customer loyalty and repeat business? Well, what better way to reward customers than with your own in-app loyalty scheme, discount offers, and reward systems? Your clients will love you for this, and it instantly increases the chances of completing repeated sales. Maybe you have a special offer for this week only. Book your next 5 grass cuts and receive the 6th cut for free. How would you let potential customers know about this offer? You can use your very own in-app push notification system that will send a message directly to their phone. This has a much better deliverability and open rate when compared with emails, magazines, social media, online ads, and other forms of advertising. Helping to easily reach your customers, all while boosting your business's revenue. Why not contact us today for a free no-obligation quote for an app for your business?